How to fix lag on Discord? Is Discord feeling slow or laggy? Here's how to smooth things out. First, check your internet connection, switch to a wired connection or restart your Wi-Fi if needed. In Discord, go to user settings, then tap on voice and video, scroll down and disable hardware acceleration. Also, lower your video resolution when screen sharing, close unnecessary background apps, especially browsers and games that use a lot of RAM or bandwidth. Change your voice server region under server settings. Sometimes switching to a closer region solves call lag instantly. Still lagging or fixed it already? Let us know in the comments below. Optimizing these settings can seriously speed up Discord and improve your experience. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.